Hi, here's an update for the Charleston real estate market for May 2024. A lot of people have been wondering what kind of impact the influx of people moving to the area has had. In the last 13 years, we've averaged about 38 people moving to the Charleston area every single day for 13 years straight. And for the last 3 years, it's actually notched up to about 45 people per day. That alone has had a significant impact on the real estate market, especially with the fact that home builders are just not keeping up with the amount of people that are moving here. So far for the year of 2024, we're actually pacing slower than 2023, which everybody knows was a significant slowdown from the years of 2020, 2021, and 2022. The reason that we've had such a big impact is because of high interest rates, and it's really slowed the market down. Rates currently are in the mid-7s, and the Feds have been talking about how they wanted to have 3 rate reductions between now and the end of the year. However, it sounds like that might change. Because of recent upticks in the market with unemployment and also the economy and inflation, it looks like they might delay the downward trend of interest rates till the later part of the year. Despite the fact that there's fewer transactions, home prices keep continuing to increase. And the reason is because there's just low inventory. And again, if we go back to that number of 45 people moving to the area every single day and of lack of inventory, it's driving prices up, and not just that, but it's also driving home rents up too. So home prices over the last year have increased on average of 5%. In a lot of areas, it's increased closer to 10% just because of the demand. So if you're a home seller, it's a great time to go ahead and get top dollar. And if you're thinking about selling and moving up into a higher price point, you're better off doing that now than waiting later. Even though there's high interest rates, think about this. Let's say your current home value is worth $500, and over the next year, prices are going to increase 10%. And let's say that future home that you want to buy is $700. Well, if you wait a year, your home that's worth $500 is now worth $550. But that home that was worth $700 that you wanted to buy is now going to cost you $770. So it's actually going to cost you $20,000 more by waiting. Yes, interest rates are higher now than they might be in the future. However, you can go ahead and buy that home for $700 today instead of paying $770 in the future. You might have a higher interest rate, but you can also refinance out of that rate in the next year or two when they come down. So if you're a home seller that's thinking about upgrading, it's actually a great time to go ahead and do that and not delay, because waiting will actually cost you more money. And if you're a home buyer, the same thing applies. If you go ahead and buy today, obviously prices are going to be cheaper today than they are going to be in a year from now. Yes, interest rates are higher, but again, you can always refinance into a lower rate in the future. And we have some great programs that are currently offering rates at 4%. And if you decide to refinance within the next 3 years, you can do that completely free and just float your rate down to the new one. So call me with any questions about these great programs. If you're interested in a home evaluation, click the link below and that'll take you to see what your home is worth. And if you're looking to see what a cash offer would look like on your home, go ahead and click that link too, and you can get an instant cash offer on your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.